Yeah, you love me, you love me, you love me when I was unstable. Yeah, you never judge me when I was unable. Myself, to trust myself. Yeah, you love me, you love me, you love me when I was unable. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornificent, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Unstable by Justin Bieber featuring the Kid LAROI. Alright, this is a very easy song. We're gonna play it with basic chords, open tuning. We're not using the capo for this one. Playing it in the key of G. Alright, and the chords that we're gonna need here are E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then we have a D, which you can play in the traditional way, which is open, 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 2, 3, 1. So 1, 2, 1. No, that's 2, 3, 2 actually. Right at the end. So open, 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 2, 3, 2. Or you can play it like a C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. You just slide it to frets 3 to 5. So now you have open, 5, 4, open, 3, open. Alright. So that's the verse. We are playing. Alright, so that's your E minor, your D, and then your C, okay? And we're playing strings 6, 4, 3, and then 5 and 4, 5 and 4. Okay, so we have there's times when I don't even breathe, but you never once abandoned me. And then you have I tried to scare you. It's still the same, just E minor, D, and then C. And then this last part changes, okay? So the third time, pieces of my pieces. Okay, so when it goes, you were my peace of mind, you were my peace of mind. That's C to D. And here you can plug strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay? Just getting into the chorus. And then we have you were my peace of mind. Yeah, you love me, love me, love me when I was unstable. Now that's E minor to C. And then we have a G. And then this is a B minor 7. Alright, so let me show you the chords for the chorus. We have yeah, you love me, you love me, you love. That's E minor. I've already showed you that. But we're plucking strings. That's 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 3. And then we go to C. Okay, so C, how we hold it, but in this case, we're only plucking strings 6, 5, 4, and we're actually opening the fourth, so that's, okay, so E minor, yeah, you love me, you love me, you love me when I was unstable, sorry, that's now a G, and G is 3, 2, open, 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 3, okay, and in this case, we are plucking strings. Okay, so for G, we're playing 6, 5, 5. And on 5, you're opening to second, open, second, so. Alright, so that's your G, and then last chord is a B minor 7, which is open, 2, open, 2. Sorry, open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. Okay, so that's your last chord. You can play the bar chord if you know how to do that, but I just like to use the open chord because this is like a this is a more open way to play it, and it brings out so much more tone. Alright, so that's your chorus. You have hey, you love me. Hold on, let me just pause this. Hey, you love me, you love me, you love me when I was unstable. Never judge me when I was unable. Okay, so let's play for the B minor. You can play, which is 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3. Okay, or you can play 5, 4, 4, and 4 in this case is open to 4th string. Yeah, you love me, you love me, you love me, you love me when I was unstable. never judge when I was unable. Alright, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. That's the same verse, I guess. Let me just scroll to see if there's a bridge where the chords change. Okay, there is a chord. Okay, this is Kid LAROI's verse, and it seems all the same. We don't quite have a bridge or anything here. So that's... Alright, so that's pretty much it for this song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.